This is the application of Super Clean Gutter Screen being installed on a composition roof. It's just simply slipped up underneath the shingles. It's butted up to the next one. And this is where we open it up a little bit to slip in the splice strip. And then we screw this on. And we use low profile Phillips zinc plated self-tapping screws. They're number 2 Phillips. This is where we screw the 2 pieces abutted against each other. And then we put a screw into the screen itself. Here's the screw. And then we put one right in the middle at 2 foot down. And this is for wind resistance, varmint, branches falling off the trees, but it holds it in place. It can be released. The screens can be pulled off if you need to do a re-roof or new gutters down the road. But the screen, it'll last you forever. And that's it.